Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to the channel Craft and DIY. You are watching new and easy craft popsicle sticks, crafts, ideas, mm, ice cream sticks. You are watching flower vase. You are watching the heart shape ice cream jewelry box. You are watching the wall hanging vase, flower vase. You are watching beautiful unique design of the popsicle sticks flower vase. You are watching the jewelry box made with the popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. You are watching another beautiful decoration piece. You are watching a flower vase made with the popsicle sticks. You are watching another basket ideas, simple and easy, made with the ice cream sticks. You are watching the flowers made with ice cream sticks. You are watching another basket, new unique idea. You are watching the popsicle sticks, flower vase. You are watching another beautiful grill uh, basket. You are watching the wall hanging beautiful flower made by the popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. Beautiful idea, another flower vase made with the popsicle sticks. You are watching pencil organizer made with the ice cream sticks. You are watching flower vase made with the beads and foaming sheets and popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. Beautiful and simple unique ideas, different flower vase showpiece uh, made with the popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. You are watching uh, another idea, round shape popsicle sticks flower vase. You are watching another vase flower vase popsicle sticks. You are watching beautiful ideas, popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. You can made easily at home. Your kids can made at home easily, simple and unique idea. You are watching another beautiful basket made with the beads, decorate with beautiful colorful beads made with the popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. You are watching mm, round shape and beautiful flower vase. You are watching decorating with the flowers made with the popsicle sticks ice cream sticks. You are watching beautiful flower vase